I have made an Adobe Audition preset to adjust audio loudness to a professional level. You can use it with your original recording, and it is free. Let me show you how it works. The recording you see on the screen is an original recording. Let's listen to how it sounds originally.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal. Well, we beg to differ. Ranch works past your aerators are engineered.
It sounded low in volume. I will now apply a preset on it, and you can hear the difference. The preset is installed in the effects rack, and I named it Pro Loudness Master Editor. You can name it anything you want.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal. Well, we beg to differ. Ranch works past your aerators are engineered with forged wrench tech blades designed to penetrate deeper and aerate more effectively than any other aerator on the market, with a lifetime guarantee against breakage to back it up. Weight, cutting surface, and speed set us apart. Visit ranch.com to see why Ranch aerators are cut above the rest.
You can hear the difference in loudness with the preset. Let's try with another audio where the loudness of the original audio is not as low as the previous sample.
Part 1. The Creative Investor Mindset and Foundation. Chapter 1. Beyond the Conventional. What is creative real estate? Part 1. The Creative Investor Mindset and Foundation. Chapter 1. Beyond the Conventional. What is creative real estate investing? Imagine a world where you don't need a massive down payment to buy a property. A world where you can acquire assets even if your credit isn't perfect, and where you can help people solve their problems while building your own wealth. This
preset is free to download and will give you the idea of how your audio sounds with proper volume control. To download the preset, go to this page and enroll for free. You can download the preset and watch the installation instructions once you enroll. The presets are also available in my Skool community. If you join as a Skool member, you will receive additional benefits, including access to an advanced audio editing course, in addition to these presets. All the links are in the description and pinned comment. You will also get another preset of iZotope RX. Grab these free presets and listen to your audio with industry standard loudness.